My name's Hugh Evans. I'm Head of Community Rail at Transport for Wales. We're excitingly celebrating Wales on Rails, a new website that we've launched in collaboration with the Great Little Trains of Wales, our community rail partnerships, and Visit Wales. This is a key part of our strategy going forward. We see the leisure market as being very important.
I'm Tim Dunn, and I'm a historian and broadcaster, specialising, frankly, in all things rail. I'm here today because I'm an outsider, I suppose you can say to this. I live in London, so I represent the market people are trying to talk to with this website. This kind of website is important because the very first time it connects together community rail and those incredible groups, the volunteers that work up and down those lines. It gives a focus for activities. It brings the heritage lines together and the timetables too, and the main lines. This website proves to me, because of its connectivity and this map here, it proves that I can leave my car at home.
Well, we're here today to celebrate the start of Wales on Rails, a really fantastic visitor partnership. So it's about sustainable tourism and finding out what else there is to offer.
My name is Melanie Lawton. I'm the Community Rail Manager with Transport for Wales. We have some of the most scenic railways in the world. The Cambrian line, the Conway Valley line, the Heart of Wales line, where we can take you from the coast through national parks into UNESCO World Heritage sites.
Wales has so much to offer, so much variety, north, south, east and west. And this is a really good way to get around. You can leave your car, get on the rail and see what our brilliant country has to offer. I'm delighted that the Welsh Government has put in £74,000 to support this partnership, and I look forward to seeing more people using the railway to see all those fantastic parts of Wales and have a great time and to come back again.